Well, even though the 370 motor was a disappointment, it did have some top end, so I thought I'd get some out of it, but I heard some crunchy noises. The drivetrain's locked up, so I'm betting some gears went in there. Yeah, we're going back to the stock motor for now. But otherwise, this is what peak performance looks like. It's not bad, the shocks are great. Look, nice and loose, lots of travel. Very nice and wiggly. Great. And revision of the rear end. Likewise wiggly and squishy. Nice suspension. Terrible motor. Well, I mean, it's a good motor, but it doesn't work in this car. Truck. You know what I mean. Until next time, we'll get this sorted out, I think. Clearly chewed up the gears. I found a bit of shrapnel in there. But funny enough, everything still runs. Like, still runs. Still rolls, so nothing really broke. It just like seized up and stopped because of all the damage. Well, we're going back to the stock motor. That was fun though.